Hello beautiful people, welcome to Juliet's Kitchen. Yasmin here. Today I'm featuring a very simple roasted garlic recipe. I love to roast garlic and save them for whenever I need them. So I want to show you how I roast garlic. So I found these huge, humongous, big garlic in my grocery store. I have olive oil. I have a cup here, but I may need more, so I have my handy dandy extra olive oil here. And then you need a bowl. If you have a bowl with an oven-proof cover, that's even better. But this bowl is about 4 cups, 1 quart. It doesn't have a cover, so I'm going to be using some foil wrap to close it tight. And then you need a sheet pan. I use a sheet pan just so I could carry stuff back and forth to the oven very easily. I have the oven being preheated at 325 degrees. First thing you want to do is just take the garlic apart. You leave the skin on. And you're looking for a recipe that calls for garlic. If you can use roasted garlic, it's great. If you don't want like the heavy flavor of garlic, this less intensified flavor, if you will. Cover the garlic with olive oil. Usually I use a cup of olive oil with 1 head of garlic. So this is 2 heads of garlic, plus they're very, very large. Why am I even pouring it in the measuring cup? Okay, the great thing about this, you can use the actual garlic to cook with, and the oil is even better. Just cooking in the oil makes a huge difference. I want to get this covered. Really wrap the bowl. Okay, all I have to do is stick it in the oven and let the oven do the rest of the work. Time to check on the roasted garlic. You do want to make sure you're very careful since it's hot, and the way I open my bowl is I just, you could use a knife, but Yep, these are ready. So I'm going to let this cool. Okay, when the garlic's cool enough to handle, you could take them off. See, the skin should come off easily. There you go. So to get this simple recipe in writing, you could absolutely visit my food blog at julietkitchen.com. Your thumbs up to this video is very much appreciated. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, go ahead and click down to the button on the left, my left, your right. Until next time, happy cooking!